Hello sysadmin, welcome back to our channel CyberSarks. In this very video we will learn how to install nagios plugin in Ubuntu. This is freshly installed nagios system we have installed in our previous video. As you can see, our host is down and the other services are showing down. It is because we haven't installed plugins yet. Let's locate the plugin. As you can see, we cannot find the plugin here. So let's start the installation. Now we have this document. I have made this for you. You can download this link from pin comment. If you haven't installed nagios, you can see our previous video or link flash above. Make sure this package are installed. If not, copy this command and install the packages. Download the package and copy the command in TMP folder. Let's go to TMP directory. Once you go here, let's download nagios plugin from this command. Just copy and paste the command. So we have downloaded the plugin. Now unzip the downloaded file. So the file is unzipped. Now let's go to the plugin folder and follow the steps. Now we'll proceed installation. Go to the plugin folder and run this command. This command might take some time to install, so run the command one by one. This is lengthy process. It depends upon your system configurations. Once the file is configured, type sudo make. This command is completed. We'll proceed for the next process and we'll start installing here. You see the installation is complete. So let's go to the plugin folder. Go to ESR, local and nagios. Here in libexcc, we have plugins here. These all are plugins. Now we can see our host is online. It starts showing some services. The host is up, and this is because of this plugin. Once you have installed the plugin successfully, all the services and the host will start fetching data. But to add a new host, follow our new video. Feel free to comment if you have any query.